So this one is not really a secret, but you might have overlooked it. So when you have a text, we can select it, and we can of course change our font right here. And you have a lot to choose from. But maybe you can't find a font you like, and instead of going to a website and downloading a new font, we can simply go to this tab right here that says Discover More. And inside this tab we can filter by styles, or we can go to the filter button and make specific requirements right here. And here we have a very long list of new fonts that are totally free. So if you like one of these fonts, you can simply go to this button right here that says Add, click OK. And as you can see, we can even see the font in real time, even though we haven't downloaded them yet. And now I have this font on my computer, so I can go to the text box and type in Acme. And here I have the font I just downloaded. So use this tip in your next project. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, or you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.